What is up, YouTube? It's Ethan here. There's a chicken. And I'm on the beautiful Coco Cay Island. Very small private island owned by Royal Caribbean Cruise Lines here in the Bahamas. And I just walked by the sign, so I'll go back so you guys can take a look. Here is the nature trail, a 1 mile long trail that I'm gonna hike. Show you guys my hike on this little trail here, and then I'm gonna take you out to the beach and show you guys some of that beautiful Caribbean waterfront that the Bahamas is so famous for. All right, let's get going. I already just stubbed my toe, so perhaps flip-flops were not the best choice for this little nature trail here, but whatever. At this point, I'm committed. There's a cool little trail right here. Now I don't know which way to go. You can pause that to read it if you want. I would guess that it probably continues this way. So let's go. Alright, just continuing to hike through this very dense tropical rainforest type scenery. It's very beautiful. Very different from the plant and tree life I'm used to seeing back in Minnesota for sure. It's very nice out here. Only thing is it's very hot and humid. It was raining a little earlier today, which was keeping it cool, but it got hot. Go ahead and pause that if you want. All right, just continuing through here, through the tropical forest. Very beautiful, very hot and humid. Oh, and there's a little lizard there. I don't know if you can see him in the video, but just ran by. Lots of cool little rocks all along the trail here. This is actually a pretty rocky trail. Oh, look at that. Look at that guy. Awesome. Very cool. Now, I guess I haven't addressed this yet, but all those chickens you hear and roosters you hear in the background, for some reason, there are a ton of chickens and roosters running around on this island. I don't know why. I don't know if there's some story behind it. Obviously, people would have had to bring them over here at some point. Don't know why or how that happened, but one way or another, they are here. And there's tons of them. Maybe that's where the chicken I ate earlier came from. All right, I think that might be the end of the trail right there. That was actually a very cool little trail through the tropical rainforest there. I didn't think it would be all that much interesting, but I was surprised. It was actually really cool. I was just looking forward to a nice little walk, but I actually really enjoyed the scenery and all the little animals I saw there. Quite a few. Some birds and that big old hermit crab and quite a few lizards. So it's pretty cool. And here we are. Looks like the nature trail might continue in through there, so I might take you guys in there, but look at that. Beautiful. Some palm trees over there. Beautiful beach right in front of us here. And boy, is it hot out. Alright, well, I'm gonna go ahead and keep walking through here, see what's back here. I'll tell you what, guys, as much as I love it out here, I could never live here, man. It is too hot and too humid for me. It's beautiful, and I would love to visit here more often. But living out here, that would kill me. I'd constantly look like a lobster. All right, found another little exit off of the trail here onto the beach. Look at that. That water is just beautiful. Completely clear. There's the main beach way down over there. Alright, let's keep going on the trail, huh? Alright, I've come out to another little opening here. Out onto the beach again. Still just as beautiful as ever. Wow. Look at that shoreline, it's just beautiful. And I believe the trail continues right through here this way. Should only have about a quarter mile left, so should be close to being done here. Alright, we're coming out to another opening, and just look at all these little rocks here. These all just look so cool to me. They're like little moon rocks. Once again though, they're pretty sharp, and flip-flops were not a good choice for this hike. But whatever. Oh, there's another little opening there. I might hang out here when I go for a swim later. Because look at that. There's nobody else out here. Got a whole beach to myself. And we should be getting pretty close to the end of the trail here. Like I said, I really wasn't expecting all that much, but this turned out to actually be a really cool hike. All the little animals and birds that I've seen on the trail, and the plant life and the trees that grow out here, and all these rocks. All the little areas where you go out and you can see the beach. It's a really cool little hiking trail that they have set up out here, actually. And in case you're wondering, it's not a strenuous trail at all. Like I said, maybe just don't wear flip-flops because of the rocks. And also, keep in mind that if you're here during the summer like I am, in the middle of July, it's going to be very, very hot. Extremely hot. Alright, we've come out to a little more higher ground area here on the trail. The trees are a lot shorter here, so it's a lot more exposed, which means it's a lot hotter. And boy, am I feeling it. I mean, I'm like sweating buckets out here. It is crazy hot today. Tell you what, as soon as I'm done with this hike, I'm jumping straight in that ocean, because that water is going to feel amazing after doing this hike. Oh, there's something stuck in there somewhere. I don't know what that was. Oh, I think this might be a little overlook here. I don't know. Let's check it out. Oh yeah. Well, there's the cruise ship over there. There's that side of the island. Wow. And there's the other side. Very small island, as you can see. That whole area is all the forest that I've been walking through. And man, does that breeze feel good. Wow. Very beautiful little tropical island out here, Coco Cay. Alright guys, well, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this video off here. I think this is a good stopping point. If you can't notice, I'm just drenched in sweat right now, and I'm ready to go get in the beach. Go to the beach and get in the ocean, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I will see you guys on the next one.